What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. My name is Ace and I am here with a second season of No Skates, No Problem. So this series is for those of you who are looking for exercises or information to help support and strengthen your roller skating. So this can mean people who have been roller skating for a while, or it can be for brand new roller skaters. This season, we're gonna hone in on some roller skate injuries, and I'm gonna show you exercises and give you information about ways that you can avoid injury as a roller skater and ways that you can strengthen up so that if you do find yourself in a precarious roller skating situation, like a bail or a fall, you know how to handle it. In today's episode specifically, I wanted to give my top 3 tips for brand new roller skaters who have the goal of skating ramps or skating in skate parks. So my first tip for brand new roller skaters who have the goal of skating skate parks or skating ramps, number 1 tip is to learn how to fall, and in tandem with that, make sure you learn how to get back up. Learning how to fall is crucial for those who are wanting to learn how to roller skate, because the thing is, when it comes to roller skating, it's not a matter of if you're gonna fall, it's a matter of when and how hard. Before I ever went to a skate park, I spent 8 years learning how to roller skate and playing roller derby. So I had a really solid foundation for like skating forwards, for stopping before I went to the skate park. And I'll tell you what, the first time I went to the skate park and tried to drop in, I still ate it. So skate park skating is its own thing. So if you learn how to fall and you know how to get back up and you kind of start to normalize that feeling and understand that you have a way out, then you're gonna feel a lot better when you're at the skate park and when you've got your wheels under you. Tip number 2, build strength off skates. So I'm a firm believer in building strength off skates because it gives you an opportunity to use the muscles that we don't use in roller skating, and it gives you the opportunity to stretch out and balance the muscles that we do use in roller skating. An off skates strength building routine is going to be really important for you as a roller skater because while roller skating is really good exercise, it's a repetitive motion activity. So like running or like bicycling, we're doing a lot of the same actions over and over again, which means we're using the same muscles and muscle groups over and over again, over a long period of time. So these kinds of activities can result in stress and overuse injuries. So in order to combat that, to prevent that, you wanna have an off-skates strength building routine. So I'm not saying this just because I'm a yoga teacher and a personal trainer. I'm also saying this because I have felt the benefit of having an off-skates strength building routine. There have been times in my roller skating career where I was not doing anything off skates, and I just feel so much better and so much more balanced and so much more confident when I am practicing building strength off skates. Similarly, some of the best roller skaters that I know or that I see have an off skates strength building routine. And finally, tip number 3, have a sense of humor. Roller skating is supposed to be fun. If you can learn how to laugh at yourself, especially learn how to laugh at yourself when you fall down, you're gonna get back up quicker and you're gonna stick with it. Because you wanna have fun through all parts of roller skating. The successes, the failures, all of it. There's some psychology behind just putting a smile on your face and it can change your entire attitude. So when I first started skating parks, I made this conscious decision to maintain a sense of humor when I was roller skating. So now you'll see me when I fall, unless I've gotten seriously injured or got really spooked by a fall, I roll up and I'm smiling. It just helps me get back up and it keeps it fun and it keeps me coming back. There's a lot of people who I've seen that buy roller skates, they go to the skate park, they get really injured, and then they never skate again. I think it's important for you to take the time to learn how to roller skate, take the time to appreciate that learning process, and have a sense of humor about it. This is supposed to be fun. Appreciate the learning process. Have fun. I promise that if you put a little bit of effort into roller skating on or off skates every day, over time, you're gonna start to experience all the joy that roller skating has to offer. I'm really excited for all these new people coming into roller skating. Welcome to the fold. I hope you'll take these tips to heart and use them on your journey. Thank you so much for watching this episode of No Skates, No Problem. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.